Morning. We've got the old new one in the classic. It's called Crafter's Cut Bourbon. If you remember commercially, one called Maker's Mark Bourbon whiskey it was. This one is based on that. So it's designed to produce a toasted oak and honey flavour, and it has a really nice spicy tone to it and lingers. So I'm just going to make one up quickly here because we want to get some samples out. So this is it. This, as you know, each of the classic, they make 1.125 litres in the 40% alcohol there. I'm just going to give it a quick mix. Wonderful. Straight into our glass. And look at that. Little still spirits glass, eh? So we're just going to have a little taste of that. Oof. Marvellous. So here's the new one, the Crafted Cut Bourbon in the classic range. Cheers.